Chloe. Chloe, you itching? Nice hair. Your hair's all messed up. Yes. You need a bath, huh? Do you need a bath? Chloe, do you need a bath? You need a bath and a haircut? Chloe. Chloe, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and see Daddy? Come. Come. What? Is Molly ignoring you? Halo. Halo. Hello, Halo. Hello, Halo. You need a bath too, huh? Yeah, you need a bath too. Good boy. Good boy, Halo.